and we come to you with some exciting to show you.
So yes, we're here to take a dump.
Fire in the hole!
We know that this is basic camping 101, but sometimes with a new rig, if you're unsure of it, it's really nice to see how it's done rather than just read through instruction. Hopefully this helps.
For hoses without ends on them that hook into your black line, I put one of these little dude jobs on. And then I just got some regular radiator clamps and I just clamp it down on there. Doesn't leak, stop leaking entirely. Well, and they do come off. But it does work. And I have no problem with fitting this hose in there. It's a 10-foot ring.
So you want to talk about the angle thingy?
No, it's just a tube. Okay, it just slips on and goes on. Get this up here. I usually have a little bit of water that comes out. And then I just hook it up as quickly as possible. And it's just water because I rinse out the thing. It's just water. Then I open it up. All I'm doing is looking for in the thing is that I have very little brown coming out and no big chunks.
Oh, that's great.
So the black tank flush I think works very well. But what I do is I just let it run for like a minute, let it run for a little bit, and then I drain it again. I do it about 3 times just to kind of make sure I got a clear flow. One of the benefits of Host is that with this open, you can't close the door. So in order for you to close this door and lock it, this has got to be pushed all the way in. That way you're not leaving your black tank valve open at any time. And then what I do, I let the water drain out as much as it can. I close the valve, but I turn it back on again to black flush for 30 seconds or so. You always want water in the bottom of your tank. What I store up here is the nozzle, like the right angle. I store this, and I store a gallon bag of purple doot jobbies, or purple gloves. So that's it.